Hello, Jessica Amir here for the Finance News Network with MGM Wireless CEO Mark Fortunatow. Mark, welcome to the network.
Thank you very much for having me.
So first up, maybe you can just give us a quick introduction to the company.
MGM Wireless is a 17-year-old company that's been listed on the ASX for the last 15 years. We're the leaders in school communication and attendance management systems, and we're the company that first developed the use of SMS in schools to enable schools to notify that their kids hadn't come to school on time or at all. About 2,000 schools have been using our systems over the years, and we have 1.7 million users that are parents and students. So 4 years ago, we decided to expand our business into children and family wearables. So we started developing a kids watch for 4 to 12-year-olds and the encompassing software system. So Spacetalk, I'm pleased to announce that after a 4-year development program, is now released. We released it in October of last year, and it's actually our second watch because the first one we just couldn't get to work reliably.
So now let's talk a little bit more about your lead product, the Spacetalk watch.
Yeah.
Why is it so unique?
So Spacetalk is an all-in-one smartwatch, phone and GPS tracker for kids between the ages of 4 and 12. So it's before they get their smartphone. So it enables kids to make and receive phone calls and send text messages, but only from the list of people that parents have set up on their phone. So they can't just call anyone or send text messages to anyone or receive messages from anyone. So it's also very high quality. It's what we call best of breed, very high reception quality, call quality and location quality. But at the end of the day, what it does, it keeps kids safe and secure and busy family members connected.
Wonderful. And where is it being sold?
Well, it's being sold currently on our online store at www.allmytribe.com, but it's actually been designed to be sold through bricks and mortar retailers. We anticipate that soon we'll be making announcements of the first bricks and mortar retailers coming on board.
And what does a smartwatch phone cost? How is it selling? And what's the market potential here in Australia?
Well, the recommended retail price is $349, but the good news is leading up to the school holidays, we have a special at $297 at the moment. During the 4 years that we were building Spacetalk, we never really knew what size the market could be. So our initial production run was 3,000 units, and we'll be sold out of those fairly soon. We've actually got another production run that's in process at the moment. Now, in terms of market size, Gartner, the tech research company, came out with some forecasts earlier this year, and they're predicting that 30% of all smartwatches will go into this kids 4 to 12-year age bracket group. They're predicting this market to be $21 billion by 2021. So it's a big market opportunity. Translating those numbers into Australia, the market potential looks like being between 120,000 units and 180,000 units per year.
Very compelling market indeed. So what are the plans to really scale up the rollout following your cap raising?
Well, the entire development and first production run of the watch was funded through our existing cash flows, but the extra capital that we've raised will be used to hire the smartest, brightest people with a background in consumer electronics and mobile phones. And in fact, only last week we announced our 2 first hires, and there'll be more to come.
And prior to launching into kids' wearables, the company has actually been helping schools for some time now. So how is that other aspect of the business going?
Our school communication business is going actually quite well. I'm pleased to say in the last 3 months, we've added about 12% more schools to the mix, and the revenue from these new schools will flow as the schools are implemented. And we'll see those revenues coming through in the beginning of, or the first half of next financial year.
Now to the first half 2018 finances and strategy. Maybe you can tell us how it's all progressing.
So what we'll see is that we'll see meaningful new revenue coming through from Spacetalk sales. We'll see the company investing quite a bit in marketing and sales related activities to promote Spacetalk, and we'll see similar results for the school business as compared to last year.
Brilliant. And last but not least, why should investors be considering adding MGM Wireless to their portfolio?
Well, first of all, it gives them exposure to a very large and emerging market, which is wearables, and in particular kids wearables. It's a brand new product category. From a company that's been around for a long time and has all the disciplines and track record of delivering profits and financial discipline. A seasoned, experienced management team, and absolutely the best product in the category. And finally, our market capitalization is extremely low compared to our peers. We're just not very well known amongst the investor community.
Mark Fortunatow, thank you so much for the update.
Thank you, Jessica.